According to recent studies by Cisco, video is going to be the predominant internet format, taking a massive 93% of traffic share in the next 3 years. In marketing and presentations, the advantages of visual stimuli are well documented. And naturally, video is the pinnacle of TV-style presentations. But for most businesses, local or internet-based, creating professional videos is something they do not have the time or skills to divert their attention to personally. So it makes business sense for them to pay video experts to lift that burden from their shoulders. On the flip coin of the video industry, historically, creating a video business or video marketing agency was expensive and slow, requiring large teams of multi-talented people. But thanks to new cloud technology, online video editors, and software-as-a-service business strategies, now you too can start your very own video business. With a vast array of professional video assets, templates, push-button simplicity, and online video technology, which works at lightning speeds. In this jargon-free presentation, we will take you through the basics of everything you need to know to start your very own professional video business. In this high-impact presentation, you will learn the simple 5-step system you need to follow to create a thriving video business, the 3 things you should never do with clients to avoid rejection and time wasting, how to deliver professional videos with no expensive cameras or studio equipment without paying per video or wasting time making endless demos, how to expand and grow your video business with the latest video marketing technology, how to get repeat paying clients who love what you do for them, and a question and answer section where your specific questions will be answered. We only run a small number of these webinars, so places are limited and fill quickly, when we offer this one-of-a-kind webinar for no charge. So reserve your spot now and turn up 5 minutes before the event to make sure you aren't locked out. This could change everything for you. We look forward to seeing you there.